All right. So you can also watch us live on YouTube. So the quality of the videos there is way better. Let me share the link. So the quality of the videos there is way better. Let me share the link. Alright, here's a link for the YouTube. It's a little bit delayed, usually what is like 3 seconds delay. But anyway, let's jump into market preparation, guys. See what is going on, what is moving, why it's moving, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna look at futures overnight session, see what we did. Pretty much chopped in the range from the previous day high into that kind of like breakout area. Not much, and that's explaining everything since we had a pretty decent run. So we gotta chill out a little bit, maybe even like sell off. Back to moving averages on daily and just in general. You know, when you make a run, you want to pull back. You wanna have a natural, right? Run, pull back, run, pull back, run, pull back. So I opened some swing positions yesterday, and they're not going anywhere. I'm like, why am I getting this? The same thing like um, on the same approach after we had like 3 full green days in a row, so it doesn't make sense. So I might actually close some position. It just doesn't make sense buying here on a high. Um, you always can wait for sell off a little bit. As you can see, this is extended. We had a gap. Um, this is really natural for the price to come down a little bit. So I'll be expecting some selling coming on SPY. Q's slightly different story, but still also, right? We had a couple gaps before we got to where we got. And prior resistance, SPY didn't have any resistance there, as you saw. IVM actually was looking weak yesterday. As you can see, closed weak, bouncing. So it's totally different story on IVM. I like how they play this level. As you can see, you can adjust this one to the prior day. As you can see, it was resistance, and then they played support. So small caps maybe gonna play its own game here of resistance and support. So watch for that one. So volatility still on the low for S&P 500. Let's look at ETFs, see what's standing alone here. Financials 0.3% down, but pretty much nothing. There's a little bit of window here. Silver probably gonna bounce today. Yeah, as you can see, silver in a moment of bounce, potential continuation higher. Might get some traction here on silver actually, all the way back to this range to 24.30, so you can catch $1 or something. Let's look at gold. Similar scenario in gold, couple day of consolidation right now and a breakout, run back to 164s, especially if the market will be selling off. I do like silver. It's cheaper and it moves. It has a better level here, 23.50. I would play for that one and maybe fill the window all the way to 23.75 and maybe fill another window to 24.20s. What else? Again, gold. XOP, it's oil and gas today. Not much of volume going on there, but up a little bit. Moon, innovations down 1%. So here you go. So we made the wave, we made the bounce. We're getting rejected right now. Possible turn the corner back down to the lows. All right, I like it. And here's some of the swings I have. You see about it yesterday, and it just doesn't make sense for me to sit on those swings. I'll go through this real quick. CRM still in play, worth watching. Selch still in play, just cleared the level. RBLX still in play again. ABNB is still in play. Chewy, here is a potential even sell-off on this name. I did like this bounce of 79, so I got it 79. Now it's sitting around 80. Let's see if we start curling up today. NEO, I'm gonna cut it off NEO because this is the bounce I was looking at. And honestly, if we're losing this level on NEO, I'm a short bias on NEO, so I might take a short position all the way towards this area, 37.40. NEO looking interesting back inside the range. It reminds me yesterday's. I think something looks similar. Oh, plug. Look at plug yesterday. This was pretty much similar, right? We had a ceiling support here, and then we just faded from that area. Now they bring it up higher. Plug potential continuation. Every time it happens like that, after selling, they bring the price higher. Why? To build a bigger position for the short. Why else it happens like that? Because people are getting out, so squeezing the price higher. Shorts kind of like, forced to be squeezed. So market makers orchestrate this in order to get more shares for themselves and whatever. That's how the market works. And the potential continuation on plug. Once we clear 30 freeze, you got the ceiling at the bottom 30. We're still in a big downtrend, right? So I see people start catching themselves like, okay, whoa, it's a bull market now, turn the corner. Well, not exactly, you're still on a big downtrend, 1 hour downtrend. So yeah, we made a nice move for 2 days, right? The third day we couldn't here. Today plug is actually looking pretty decent to be shorted. Let me get in here on the daily watch list. I'm gonna put a plug there, and NEO, both clean levels, and the moment we're gonna break that level, I think we're doomed to tank. Let me show you NEO. As you can see, very clean level from the prior day. Not only that, so you got support, that's your intermediate support, 37.50s, and that's a nice range, like $1 and some change to the downside. If you can mitigate your risk to like 10-20 cents, okay, let's say even 25 cents, this is amazing risk reward, more than free are. All right, let's look at some individual names from the weekly focus list. There's probably some good ones setting up right now. GM, nice runner yesterday. I mean, if GMIA also gonna tank below this level 36, I will be forced to get out. That's everybody who were playing this bounce. Me, swing long swings. We will be getting out because my stop is right there at 35s. So if you start tanking, I'm actually gonna get out earlier because of the market where we're sitting right now. It just doesn't make sense because we can go for another test of triple bottom and type of deal, Maybe it's also can be a shakeout type of a deal today. Immediately gonna push back. Maybe it's not gonna happen. So I posted a tweet yesterday saying like no judgment, be neutral, see, perceive, respond, right? Have an empty glass. So it's very important to be open-minded for any possible outcome every day. As a day trader, as a swing trader, you have to be open-minded to anything. Work on myself a little bit. All right, X looking nice. So I'm kind of long bias on X, but I think we will continue to look lower. Look at X, possible short 24.50 here. The breakdown, you're gonna have some support. I'm gonna adjust this towards this area, 23.50, but it's a decent area. Decent profit. Yeah, I do like this, and deep buy 23.50. Still strong. Right, Unity. I don't know if we're gonna turn the corner here, but guys, this thing can move so fast. ATR 580. I played swing from here, as you can see in 1 day. I'm a long bias on this. At the same time, if we start losing this level again, clean level, we will get back down. We have a double top with higher top compared to this one. So I do like Unity for short and long setup today. Let's look. SPWR might actually continue to go lower, and the reason is because prior support, now it's ceiling. Look at this, we're hitting this. So you can play clearly here against Fetty Free on SPWR for the short setup. And most of them short, right? But also have some long scenarios. If we start faking it and clearing back and holding that Fetty Free, there's possibility actually. See Ozone hit it a couple of days of that level and just fading down. There's possibility that we can actually play some sort of a bounce here. Snowflake, possible bounce as well. All right, Snapchat today had some news, right? Viacom is dropping Snap is popping, and stock market is slipping. Kind of news of those. Analyst actions. Atlantic equities have great Snap, though overweight from neutral. All right, Snapchat potential breakout. I do like this Snap. As you can see, we cleared the level above this level right now, 55.40. Question is it breakout market today or not? So where we can run. So this is a consolidation from when we kind of, you see, consolidated, dumped, came back and tested. So 58 and a half, interesting level on Snapchat. So it has its own catalyst upgrade, right? So where are we sitting right now? 55.66. So we are right now right here. Just broke this level. We have room to run. Sure. So, all right. So quickly, ABNB. So nice 1, 2, 3. Like triple bottom of support, and that's why I took a long here, simply risking 186. But again, we can have real sell-off and continue to go down, or continue to test double bottom, or it can be a shakeout today, right? As a possibility. So maybe it makes sense to reassess your positions, the one you took yesterday. I'm talking to myself in this context. All right, Facebook looking strong. Look at this. This is doing the opposite, right? You got a gap down into support accumulation. So watch out Facebook today. Possible continuation or runner. So all-time high, there's no resistance here. When it's all-time high, there's really unlimited skies for us. Lemonade. I do like element D because you got clear two defined levels right now, right here. Depends on the price action. We might see what we're gonna do. Plug already watching. Let's see if we can continue to sell that name. Chewy. Blink. It's already tanked yesterday. All right, I have a few more names and then we'll look at the scanner. All right, Tesla back to the level today. Nice selling. So back. Oh, this is T-Doc. I'm sorry. Looking Tesla right now. Back to the level right now. Still flirting. Too early to say. So Tesla. So pretty much just consolidating at the lows here. Let's look at this. It's a little bit tough playing this Tesla right now. So here's the range we are in right now. It's a breakdown back to this area, possibly 650s. So I will be looking for the breakdown and buying the dip on this name. Microsoft, look at this, similar like a Facebook, right? I wonder what's Apple doing. Oh, same. Interesting. Okay, so a few more names here real quick. CRM, XPEF. XPEF is also inside the range, possibly going to turn the corner and just continue to go lower. there's not much resistance here. I mean support right there. It's not much. Got volume exchange, yes, but that's it. The real consolidation was happening around 33. That's where we're probably heading right now. Um, and I'm a deep buyer on many of these names anyway. Okay, so let's see what scanners tells us real quick. What do we see here? We see here pretty much no color change, right? I'm not moving anywhere here. None of the sectors stands out here. By the way, what news we have today? Nothing huge, no economical data. Let's look at the market scanner. CEMI, then we have Comcast popping up, RMO, Viac. Interesting. Ebone. Okay, let's look at those names real quick. CEMI, fourth quarter earnings plan. CEMI, Comcast just doesn't have any volume here in pre-market. RMO, Romeo Power, payment, earnings, Viac. She's probably gonna continue to sell Ebone, just a washout here. There are some banks actually gonna be selling. I see Credit Suisse. There are a few banks who are creditors to these guys. I continue to sell Viac. It's probably on SSSR still. I don't know if I like playing this name. I think there's some other better names. So let's look at Ebone. Decent volume. Just a crazy washout all the way back to 542 right now. Possible bounce there. What news on Ebone? Official launch of cryptocurrency on April 5th. I don't know if you can find some news there. I'm not a big fan of Ebone, just the daily chart doesn't look nice. As you can see, it's a pumping up, and garbage. RMO, let's look at that one. It's also selling off earnings play. Ooh, a little bit of kind of interesting price action. Romeo Power and Packard enter long-term supply agreement for Peterbilt 579, 520 batteries. All right, so Packard is a huge company. Actually, it's here in Seattle, where I'm from. When I used to at Pizza Hut, I used to deliver food to Packard. Huge company. Romeo, so Bronstern. Yeah, you got a deal here on RMO. Let's look at statistics. We have 100 million float on RMO and short float 8%. So it's about 8 to 9 million shorts on this name. Average volume 6.5 mil. Right now you're already at 2.6, RVO 8. Ooh, this one is cooking, guys. We got probably shorts getting squeezed here. Look at this prior day, 2-3 day consolidation. We're stepping up higher. You got this pop right now. I'm kind of showing you this. You got this pop right here. So once we clear this area, there's nothing stopping us. RMO looking really nice, guys. Look at this. This price action. You got a pop, tight consolidation. The price is not going down. There's been a strong player participating right now, holding the price. Not a pop, same. It does look nice. I'll give you another example of these pops. Look at target. Pop, consolidation. Pop, consolidation. There is a strong limit player buying it, and not a pop, right? So RMO, similar scenario right now, guys. Actually, really interesting. Might be a really nice runner here for a couple points all the way. Short squeeze here, right? Not a lot, only like around 9%. But hey, it's beating down name at the low. It got a contract right now. Plus, look at this. We have a window here, right? We like playing windows. And higher ball right now. I do like it. If we get lucky, we might even, continue squeezing higher to 14s. This is probably my by far favorite name right now. So this flag continuation worth playing. Let me look at the scanner again, see what else is going on there. I like to look at the pre-market. It gives me more data, 5 pages. So let's look at downgrades. Nothing today. Upgrades. Snapchat, we already have it. UAL on upgrade. FCX. Huh. I took a FCX yesterday. It's got to be kidding me. Look at FCX. Nice. You see, I already put this. I took yesterday right there for the breakout. It didn't happen. I cut it off. I didn't even post it in swing trading because it was just a scratch trade. We got upgrade today. Continuation on the FCX possibly today breakout. Looking interesting. FCX, and it has upgrade. Earnings coming, I think, on April 20th, something like that. UAO, it also upgrade. All right, let's look at the major news here. Facebook, kind of news. I mean, don't see anything like crazy here on Facebook, but it sure looks like, same as Microsoft, sure look like they possibly can run a little bit more. Apple looking interesting compared to like Facebook and MSFT, right? The RSI, where's my RSI here? Oops. Or forget. Oh shit. Here you go. RSI, let's look at Apple, it's 55. Microsoft is only 63, Facebook 69. Not there yet, not super overbought. So Cisco looking strong as a potential continuation as well. BP today a little bit moving. NCLH second day. And NCLH was really tough to play yesterday. Okay. Kind of like that RMO, guys. UAVS yesterday, I remember, and Knox. Let's look at NOx too. Tried to play that NOx deep buy yesterday of those two levels. It kind of worked, made a few bucks, but then it's just so weak. And the reason is from this area to this area, we still have one ATR to go. You always pay attention to ATR. NOx worth playing for the bounce because they got a contract, right? Eventually they're gonna bounce. Shorts played out, so wait for them to come back towards 43 to 41. That's where you want to really play that bounce. And Knox, the problem, another view on Knox, it was really spready yesterday. It was like 14 cents or something on this name. Okie dokie. So what are you guys watching besides what I watch? Yeah, but 6 minutes till they're open. I'm gonna select my select my picks in a second. All right, so I do like plug. Kind of like PLTR still for the continuation. I don't know what are we doing here on PLTR at this point. We had news on PLTR, by the way. It's just the same. They're pumping the stock. They're pumping the stock for the upcoming event. I don't know, guys. It's all about buy the dip here at these levels because it will be at $30 next week, maybe 2 weeks. So the dip will be bought for sure. So I do like plug. Let's see what we're gonna play there. NIO. Clean level there. Plug NIO. PLTR is always I'm watching since it's like my to-go name. And Snapchat. We had a catalyst, right? We have room to run on Snapchat. This is a long buy. Neo and Plug, they are both on a short list to me, but everything is possible because we're still in the bounce area there. RMO, selling off right now. It's good. So I'm gonna put it RMO here. Sure. And so plug, Neo, POTR, RMO, Facebook. Here's Facebook. I want to see what we're gonna do on this name. Well, NCLH also, you know, let me look at some airlines. UAO had a interesting cruises. NCLH does look interesting, guys, for a second day breakout continuation. It may be worth playing NCLH today. Cruises, CCO not much, but NCLH, sure. Let me see, do we have news? I think we had some news on NCLH. Norwegian Cruise Line plans to resume cruises from US in July. Now, is it the same repeatable news we had 2 days ago? No idea, but it does sure look interesting. Breakout over $30, guys, on NCLH. Alright, maybe worth watching this name. Right, I'm gonna keep NCLH on list as well. This is all mainly day trading, right? The list I built just. All right. All right, it's time to cut it off streaming, guys. If you're interested, you can join the Discord. So I talk in Discord, but no more streaming. But you also can come to Discord and just have fun with us in a room. Thank you for watching. Trade smart today, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care, guys.